the Great Wall of China. This immense structure snakes its way across the landscape. Built to protect and defend, it stands as a powerful symbol. For centuries, the Great Wall has captivated our imagination. Its sheer scale is impressive and its historical significance undeniable. The Great Wall is a story of empires and emperors, battles fought and won. Its construction spanned centuries, the work of multiple dynasties. Each dynasty left its mark, adding to the wall's grandeur. This is the story of the Great Wall of China, a story of ambition, perseverance, and ingenuity. The wall is a legacy of a nation, a monument to human achievement. It is a timeless symbol of China's enduring spirit. It evokes a sense of awe and wonder. To understand the Great Wall, we must journey back in time. In the 7th century BC, China was a collection of warring states. These states built walls for protection from each other. These early walls were simpler and smaller, but served a vital purpose. They represented division and conflict. Then came the Qin dynasty in 221 BC. Emperor Qin Shi Huang emerged victorious, unifying China. He ordered the connection of existing walls, marking the birth of the Great Wall as a unified structure. The emperor's vision was clear, a formidable barrier to protect his newly unified empire. Thousands of laborers toiled tirelessly under harsh conditions. They laid the foundations for one of history's most impressive feats of engineering. The Great Wall was never just one wall, it was a network of walls. It evolved over time, constantly being improved and adapted to new threats. The Qin dynasty laid the groundwork, establishing a blueprint for future dynasties. The Great Wall was about to enter its next chapter. The Han dynasty succeeded the Qin, ruling for over 4 centuries. The Han expanded the Great Wall westward to protect the Silk Road. This trade route was vital, bringing prosperity to the empire. The Han built watchtowers along the wall for strategic vantage points. Soldiers could monitor the horizon for potential threats. Centuries passed, dynasties rose and fell, each leaving their mark on the Great Wall. The Ming dynasty came to power in the 14th century. They undertook the most extensive renovations, rebuilding large sections with more durable materials. The Great Wall we see today is largely from the Ming era, a testament to their skill and determination. The Great Wall was more than just a physical barrier, it was a sophisticated defense system. Beacon towers enabled rapid communication. Fires lit on top of the towers could convey messages across vast distances. News of enemy movements could travel quickly. The Great Wall was a vital line of defense, protecting China from invaders. It helped to safeguard the Silk Road, facilitating trade and cultural exchange. It was a symbol of strength and unity. It stood as a testament to the power of the Chinese Empire. The Great Wall is no longer a military structure. It has evolved into something more profound, a powerful symbol. It represents China's rich history and culture, a reminder of the country's resilience. It is a source of national pride. Myths and legends have become intertwined with the wall. One famous story tells of Meng Jiangnu, whose husband was a laborer forced to work on the wall. When he died during construction, her tears were so powerful that they caused a section of the wall to crumble, revealing her husband's remains. These stories highlight the human cost of the wall's construction, adding another layer of meaning. The Great Wall is more than just bricks and stone. It is a testament to human sacrifice. It is a monument to enduring love and loss. Today, the Great Wall is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. People from all corners of the globe come to marvel at its grandeur. They walk in the footsteps of emperors and soldiers, connecting with China's past. The Great Wall continues to inspire awe, reminding us of the power of human ambition. It is a timeless symbol of human ingenuity. It is a monument for the ages.